Students, today we will try to understand the very last topic, that is reproductive health. Now, due to lack of awareness, many men and women face problems relating to the reproductive system. Okay, there is lack of awareness. There are certain things that people are not aware. That's why they face a lot of problem with respect to reproductive system. With the information and facilities readily available, men and women should ensure that they and their families are screened for the diseases and are aware of. See, there is lot of information that is available nowadays. So care should be taken that we are well aware of those information and facility, whatever is available, and try to access it. Now, there are certain things an individual needs to know about. One is family planning. One of the basic health reasons of family planning is a gap between children, as that has major impact on the mother's health. Several methods of avoiding pregnancies are available for the use of both men and women. The number of kids in a family can be controlled by planning and taking necessary steps. One is family planning. Now, there should be gap between the children. What happens is, if there is no proper gap that is maintained, the individuals or the women's health is at risk. Okay, it is a physical as well as a mental trauma for that particular individual. So that's why a proper gap should be maintained. So several methods are employed to avoid pregnancy, and it is readily available also. Okay, so this is very important. Family planning is very much required. Sexually transmitted diseases. A number of diseases can be transmitted due to unprotected sexual act. If certain precautionary measures are not taken, then the sexually transmitted disease such as syphilis, such as AIDS can be transmitted to an individual. So, care has to be taken, regular tests should be done, and use of preventive techniques should be encouraged to remain safe from STDs. So testing has to be done, and also preventive measures has to be encouraged. Health of mother and infant. The health of the baby depends directly on the health of the mother. It is essential to understand the special needs of a pregnant woman and lactating mother. It means a mother who is breastfeeding. Following points should be kept in mind. See, we know that if mother is healthy, then the child will also be healthy. So mother has to take all the precautions, have a good diet, hygiene, so that she can provide the same environment to the developing child. What are the points that has to be kept in mind? One is hygiene. Cleanliness must be maintained to prevent any infection both before and after delivery to the mother and the newborn. Next is nutrition, very important. Extra protein and calcium should be included in the diet of the mother, as this benefits both mother and child. We know calcium is required by the bones. Proteins helps in the multiplication of the cells, helps in the growth and development. So all these should be included in the diet. Breastfeeding, mother's milk contains not only nutrients but also antibodies. This should be breastfed up to the required age. So mother's milk contains not only the nutrients but also antibodies. Since the child is developing, it might not have a very well developed immune system. That's why the antibodies are present in the mother's milk, so that it can fight against a pathogen. So breastfeeding is very much required. Reproductive health in adolescents. Nutrition. Age of rapid growth and development. See, adolescent is an age of rapid growth and development, so proper diet should be consumed. A well-balanced diet is very much essential. And the balanced diet should contain all the nutrients in the right amount. Fast food should be avoided. Fast food just builds up the fat in the body, it does not give any nutrients or it does not nourishes the body. Personal hygiene. Now, I had told you it is during adolescent period, we see there is an hyperactivity or an increased activity of the sweat gland. So there is body odor. So personal hygiene has to be maintained. And even during menstrual flow, proper hygiene has to be maintained. Otherwise, an individual will contract RTIs or reproductive tract infection. Physical activity is very much required to keep the body as well as to keep the body fit as well as to remain mentally healthy. Say no to drugs. Since adolescence is a period of confusion and insecurity, it is important for teenagers to have control over their minds. Teenagers usually fall prey to drugs because of peer pressure and the upbringing. There are so many factors that influence the adolescents, and also they are highly confused and they're very insecure. So they usually tend to fall prey to drugs, and drugs are usually addictive in nature. So drug users also contract AIDS through the infected syringes and needles while taking drugs. While taking drugs, they usually use syringes or needles. So if a person has got AIDS, the same thing is being transferred to the other person when he or she is using the needle, reusing the needle or syringes.